closely at this diamond. It is brilliant, incredibly hard, and flawlessly clear. If you took this to a jeweler, they would tell you it is a genuine diamond. But here's the catch. This stone did not come from a mine. It was grown in a lab in just a few weeks. For centuries, diamonds were the ultimate symbol of rarity, forged deep within the earth over billions of years. But today, science has found a way to hack nature. In this video, we are going inside the high-tech factories that are mass-producing perfect diamonds, and we will answer the big question: are they actually real or just a clever fake?
Real or fake?
First, we need to clear up a common misconception. Lab-grown diamonds are not fakes. They are not cubic zirconia or glass. Chemically, physically, and optically, a lab-grown diamond is identical to a mined diamond. They are both made of the exact same thing: pure, crystallized carbon. The only difference is their origin story. One is born from chaos underground, the other is born from science. So, how do we replicate a process that usually takes a billion years? There are two incredible ways to do it. Method 1, HPHT. The first method is called HPHT, which stands for high pressure, high temperature. This machine is essentially a mechanical volcano. It is designed to crush a small graphite capsule with the weight of a skyscraper. Scientists start with a tiny Kix diamond seed, a sliver of an existing diamond. They place it in a chamber with pure carbon. Then, massive anvils apply crushing pressure, over 60,000 atmospheres, while heating the chamber to 1,500 degrees Celsius. Under this extreme stress, the carbon melts and slowly crystallizes layer by layer onto the seed. It is a brutal, heavy industrial process that mimics the Earth's mantle. Method 2, CVD, the sci-fi way. The second method is even more futuristic. It is called chemical vapor deposition, or CVD. This doesn't use crushing force, it uses gas and plasma. Inside a vacuum chamber, scientists place a flat diamond seed. They then pump in hydrocarbon gases, like methane, and blast them with high-power microwaves. This creates a glowing ball of super-hot plasma. The heat breaks the gas molecules apart, releasing carbon atoms. These atoms rain down like snow, settling onto the seed one by one, slowly building a gemstone atom by atom. It looks like magic. In a matter of weeks, a block of pure, rough diamond has grown from thin air. When these diamonds come out of the machine, they don't look like jewelry yet. They look like rough, square blocks of ice. They are then sent to master cutters. Using laser saws and polishing wheels coated with diamond dust, the rough stone is cut to reveal its brilliance. This is the exact same process used for mined diamonds. The result is a stone that is often cleaner and brighter than what nature provides, at a fraction of the cost, and without the ethical issues of mining. Today, even expert gemologists cannot tell the difference between a lab-grown and a mined diamond without using specialized machines to read their atomic growth patterns. So as technology advances, the question changes. We shouldn't ask if we can make real diamonds. The real question is, if we can mass-produce the rarest stone on Earth, is it still precious? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy a lab-grown diamond? If you enjoyed this shiny look into technology, don't forget to like and subscribe to Curio TV.